Well, today I'm actually in the north of England. It's not far from the Scottish border, I think. It's near to the Lake District. And I'm going to paint a couple of fishermen. It's going to be a kind of a surprise gift to somebody. I seem to do a lot of those. It's for my brother-in-law. He doesn't know that he's going to get it, and I hope he likes it. So, fingers crossed, I'm going to make a good job of it. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, the colours I'm using is Payne's Grey, Purple Lake, Ultramarine Blue, Cerulean Blue, that's Alizarin Crimson, Cadmium Red. Then I've got Yellow Ochre, but I've also got these other two colours here. One of them is Transparent Oxide Yellow, which is a Michael Harding colour. And this one is a Rembrandt one, which is that's a Transparent Oxide Yellow. They're very similar, but they're quite nice. I'll use them for the rust on the bridge there. Naples Yellow and Titanium White. I'm using Liquin as my medium, and I've just got some thinners in there just for me to do my colour wash.
Oh, it's lovely.